number 15. We're just going to solve and find the solutions. We have the square root of 22x minus 11. And that equals x plus 5. Okay, we're going to square both sides to get rid of square root. Squaring square root will get rid of it. We have 22x minus 11. Alright, so here I'm going to use shortcut for squaring a binomial. So if I have a plus b squared, what I'm doing is a plus b times a plus b. And when you do that full process, you end up with, you square the first term, a squared, multiply these together, ab times 2, so plus 2ab, and then you square the last term, plus b squared. So I'm going to do that here. So I'm going to square the first term. It's going to give me x squared. Multiply these two together. That's going to be 5x times 2 is going to be 10x. And then square the last term. 5 squared is 25. Now I'm going to move everything to one side because it looks like I have a quadratic and I need to do factoring or quadratic formula. So I'm going to add the 11 to the 25. And then I'm going to subtract 22x from the 10x. So on the left side I have 0 equals x squared minus 12x plus 36. And it looks like this will factor 1 times 36. 36, factors of 36 that add to 12. 6 times 6. You can kind of figure those. So 0 equals 2 sets of parentheses. X in the front of both, 6 in the back. Bigger number is negative, they're both the same. And the second sign says positive, so they're both the same. And then, so since they're both the same, I'm only going to do it once. X minus 6 equals 0. Add 6, and you get x equals 6. All right, on 16, we just want to solve the inequality. So, let me see. We have 5 minus 2x is less than or equal to negative 7. All right, so we're going to subtract 5. It's going to add with that negative number. It's going to give us a negative 2x less than or equal to negative 12. All right, divide by negative 2. I guess I have to write that one down. All right, divide by negative 2. This has to flip, and this becomes a positive 6. So this is what it is in set notation. Just add your set, x such that, close your set. If we do on a number line, since my variable is on the left-hand side, I have 6. Equal to means bracket, and I know it's pointing that way, so we're going to the right, all the way to positive infinity. That is my interval notation. 6 bracket to positive infinity parentheses. And that's also my number line. So we got everything, all the different representations. And that's what we want here. So we have the x such that x is greater than or equal to 6. The solution set in interval notation. We're going to do square bracket 6 comma to infinity, and then the number line is going to go from 6 to infinity, and we want a bracket on the 6. So answer choice A.